We've finally transformed the camera into VP1. So right under the camera snapping area, we have a put it all together section. We're going to do some bounds checking here. We're going to get the half width and half height of the size we want to set VP1 to on the X and Y. And we are going to outset half width and half height from that 2x2 origin point to create the final VP1 size. And it's going to have the final size and location. However, we might be bleeding over an edge, so we might need to push the viewport back within the renderable space. If we're out of bounds, we got to fix it. So here's our lower bound, here's our upper bound, and here's the number of discrete units that are overflowing. If we're out of bounds on both the left and right, or out of bounds on the top and bottom, that is a fucking mistake. If we are out of bounds on the left or right, here's how to solve it. So out of bounds left, out of bounds right. If we're out of bounds on the bottom, here's how to solve it if we're out of bounds on the top. Here's how to solve it if we're out of bounds on the bottom. And then we're finished. Here's what we did previously. Here's some other notes. Here's what we did in this video. This has been the shorter playlist. If you want a more deep description, you can go here. You can get the source code here. This has been video 112, Camerah H Part 5.